fractions, fractions, fractions. I hope all of you have done your home assignment, as it was already given that from exercise 3C, question number 1, few sums from question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 were given. Okay, and I hope all of you have done it. Therefore, let's check whether you have done it correctly or not. So, here in question number 1, they say that reduce to a single fraction, isn't it? In question number 1, they say reduce to a single fraction. So we are going to reduce the fractions into a single fraction. What are they? Like 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6 minus 1 by 12. It was already said that before you try to add all these, you have to check whether the denominators are equal or not. The denominators are different. Therefore, we will find the LCM, isn't it? So, the LCM of 4, 6 and 12 will be how much? 2 times 3, 6. Similarly, 1 times 3 and 3, 1 times, 1 times. So, here we have our LCM as 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Now, what we need to do is, this LCM will be written over here. Now, every time I will divide the LCM by the denominator, and whatever I will get, I will multiply it with the numerator. For example, 12 divided by 4, 3, so 1 into 3. 12 divided by 6, 2, so 5 into 2. 12 divided by 12, 1. Therefore, my numerator into 1. So we get 3 plus 10 minus 1 by 12 will be equal to how much? 12 by 12. 10 plus 3, 13 minus 1, 12 by 12. And on cancellation, I find that I got the value as 1, which is our solution, isn't it? Now, moving to the next sum, that is question number 6. What do we have in question number 6? 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 plus 3 minus 1 by 5. This is our sum. And I find that in 3 I do not have a denominator, so I'll put 1 over here. As I said, what did we do? We found out the LCM. Why LCM? Because the denominators are different. So LCM of 3, 5 and 5 will be how much? 5 1 times, 3, that is 5 3s are 15. As I said, the LCM will be written over here. Every time I will divide the LCM by the denominator, and whatever I will get, I will multiply with the numerator. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to how much? 3 4 times. Therefore, 2 times 4. Isn't it? Now, sorry, it will be 15 over there, my dear. Therefore, 2 5 times. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 2 into 5 minus 3 into 3 plus 3 into 15, because 15 divided by 1 is equal to 15, minus 1 into 3. So here we get 10 minus 9 plus 45 minus 3 by 15. on solving it. How to solve? All the positive numbers should be added and all the negative numbers should be added separately. So 10 plus 45 will be equal to how much? 10 plus 45 will be equal to 55 minus 12, minus 9 minus 3 minus 12 by 15 will be equal to how much? Will be equal to 43 by 15. This is your next solution. It is better you convert this into mixed value. So 213 by 15. When you divide 43 by 15, 213 by 15. Moving on to the next one. They are very simple, as I said. Moving on to the next one, I find in number 8 that we have 2.5 plus 2 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So what we need to do first is we have to change this into improper fractions. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3, 4, 1 times 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 4. Now what we need to do, and you will shout LCM. LCM of what? 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. Why? Because they have different denominators. 2 1 times, 3 2 times is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 is equal to 12. Therefore, my denominator over here will be the LCM, which I found out right now. So each and every time I am going to divide this with the denominator, and whatever I'll get, I'll multiply with the numerator. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Therefore 5 into 6 plus 7 into 4 minus 5 into 3 will be equal to 30 plus 28 minus 15 by 12, which will be equal to how much? Will be equal to 58 minus 15 by 12, and our solution will be 43 by 12 is equal to 43 by 12. Is better we convert this into mixed value, which will be equal to 3 7 by 12. Check whether you have done it correctly or not. Let's move on to the next sum. In question number 2, okay, here we have come to question number 2, which says simplify. Simplify means reduce. Okay, here what you need to do, we need to do cancellation. Okay, we need to do cancellation. Like for example, we have in number 4, what do we have? 9 by 12 into 4 by 7. So 9 by 12 into 4 by 7. Always remember that the denominator will cancel only with the numerator, either this way or this way, isn't it? So here 2 times, 2 6 times. Once again I am going to divide it. 2 1 times, 2 3 times is equal to 9 by 3 into 7. Oh my God, I could have cancelled with 3 also here. Don't worry, I'll cancel it here. 3 3s are 9 is equal to 3 by 7. This means at any cost I have to write the answer in the simplest form. Here I found that this was still not in the simplest form. So I carried on division again. 3 by 7. Clear? Once again we have number 5 over here, and in number 5 they say 45 multiplied by 2 1 by 3. Before solving we need to convert this into improper fraction. 3 to the 6 7 by 3. What did I say? I said that you need to do cancellation. Okay, so cancellation means the denominator can cancel only with the numerator. Come on, so let's cancel. 3 1 times 3 15 times is equal to 15 into 7 105 is your solution. Please check whether the answer is correct or not. Similarly, in number 7, what do we have? In number 7, we have 2 divided by 1 by 3. 2 divided by 1 by 3. So here in 2 divided by 1 by 3, I find that 1 by 3 is the divisor. Okay, this is divisor. So if the divisor is in division form over here, we need to convert this into multiplication form. And when we will convert this into multiplication form, the divisor, we have to do the reciprocal of the divisor. Means reciprocal means ulta, opposite. 3 by 1. 1 by 3 will be 3 by 1. Let's cancel it. No cancellation. Therefore 2 times 3 will be equal to 6 is our solution. Once again, reciprocal of divisor. Reciprocal of divisor should be done over here. We have 12, and in 12 we have 3 by 7 divided by 1 by 14. As I said, please do convert it into improper fraction. So here we have 24 by 7 divided by 15 by 14, and now it's our turn to do cancellation. But before we do cancellation, I will have to convert this into this division into multiplication. Therefore it will be 24 by 7 multiplied by 14 by 15. Now only you can do cancellation over here. Therefore 7 1 times, 7 2 times 14, while 3 5 times, 8 times. No cancellation is equal to 16 by 5. However, please change it into mixed value, which is equal to 3 1 by 5. 5 3s are 15, 1 is the remainder, therefore 3 1 by 5, quotient remainder by divisor. In number 12, what I find, in number 12, what I find, that they have given all the values in mixed number. 3 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 5 multiplied by 20 by 21. What we need to do? Shout. Change into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12 plus 3, 15 by 4 times 6 by 5 into 20 by 21. Now is our turn to do cancellation. So as I said, cancellation means the denominator with the numerator. Any denominator with any numerator. Okay. So 5 4 times, and I find that this 4 and 4 1 times, 4 1 times. Again 3 7 times, 3 2 times. Now I think that they will not cancel. Therefore 15 times 2 by 7 only is equal to 30 by 7. And finally you need to write your answer in mixed form, which is equal to 4 2 by 7. In question number 3, we have subtract. Okay, what subtract? Subtract, question number 3, the third one, subtract minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5 from 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5 from 2 by 5. So this from 2 by 5 should be written first, and then I am going to subtract. I am going to subtract minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5. Therefore, here you will get 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5, 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5, which will be equal to 5, 2 plus 2, because the denominators are same, is equal to 4 by 5 is your solution, isn't it? Now, let's come to number 5, which is easier one. Question number 3, once again, question number 3, 5. We have subtract, okay? Subtract 0 from minus 4 by 5. So from minus 4 by 5, so this minus 4 by 5 will be written first, and then I am going to subtract 0. So what should I get? I'll get minus 4 by 5 only as your solution. If 0 is subtracted from any number, the answer is that number only. Now let's come to the next. We have question number 3. We have done 5. Now is number 6. So here we have number 6. Question number 3, 6. We have the same thing, the subtract. What subtract? Subtract 2 by 9 from 4 by 5. Okay, so from 4 by 5 I am going to subtract 2 by 9. Now here I find that the denominators are different, therefore I will find the LCM of 5 and 9, isn't it? Which will be equal to 45. Why? Because they are co-prime number. Co-prime numbers are numbers which have only one number as factor, which have only one factor, which is 1. So 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. So 4 into 9 minus 2 into 5, which will be equal to 36 minus 10 by 45, and the final solution will be how much? 26 by 45 is our final solution. Now when I come to question number 7, I find that here in question number 7 many of you might get confused to such an extent that many of you will make mistakes in the examination. Okay, why? Because both of them here are in negative, have negative values. Subtract, again SUB, subtract minus 4 by 7 from minus 6 by 11. So minus 6 by 11 should be written first, then minus 4 by 7. Here we had minus 4 by 7. So my solution here will be minus 6 by 11. Here what we have? Minus. So minus into minus plus 4 by 7. I find that both of them have different denominator. So when they have different denominator, I have to take the LCM of 11 and 7, and LCM of 11 and 7 will be 77, isn't it? So minus 6 into 7 plus 4 into 11 which will be equal to minus 42 plus 44 by 77 equal to 2 by 77. I find 44. So I find that both of them have different sign. So I subtracted, and finally my answer will contain the sign of the bigger value, means 44, which had plus sign. Bigger number had plus sign, so plus over there. Okay, if you have solved it, isn't it? If you have solved it yourself, okay, then you can grade it yourself. Okay, so what you need to do in the comment section, okay, in the comment section, what you need to do, you need to write. What are you going to write? You will write it that I got whatever number you get out of 12. So if you get 10, so you will write I got 10 out of 12. If you got 5, you write 5 out of 12. If you got all of them correct, you will write 12 out of 12, isn't it? Lastly, thanks to all of you.